Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, after a lot of months, I have come up with a video on recipes. So I'll be sharing with you the recipe of crispy chili baby corn tossed in Schezwan chili sauce. So here I'm frying the baby corn. So I have first cut the baby corn into halves and then into another halves and boil them. Then after that I have tossed the boiled baby corns in corn flour. I have taken about this spoons, 2 to 3 spoonfuls of corn flour, little bit of salt according to taste, ginger garlic paste, cut red chilies, and about a teaspoonful of crushed black pepper, powdered black pepper powder you can say, and in a wok I have added refined oil, white oil, and then I have fried this baby corns into crispy golden color. So the baby corns are being fried over here. You can see the crushed red chilies. So I have cut the whole red chilies using scissors over here. I didn't use chili flakes. I have made the chili flakes from whole red chilies. And now I am frying them in refined oil. I am not deep frying them. I am sauteing them in the oil till it becomes golden color. Then I'll be making a dry gravy out of this fried baby corns. For preparing this baby corns tossed in Schezwan chili sauce and tomato sauce, I have cut the onions this way. I'll be using Schezwan chutney, tomato sauce. So now you can see that the baby corns have been fried. So they are juicy and crispy and yet soft and crunchy. The cut onions are being fried in the remaining oil. Now after the onions have become translucent, I have added cut green chilies and about 2 teaspoons of Schezwan chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce. Likewise again over here, powdered black pepper powder and also a little bit of salt as per taste. So it will be dry and you can replace it with boiled chicken or boiled paneer or tossed paneer. Same way as we prepare chili chicken or chili paneer, same way I am preparing over here chili baby corn. It's very easy to make, so you can prefer it as a snack item, or if you want to eat something different for dinner, you can try it out. Hope you like this recipe, and if you like the recipe, do like, comment and share it with your friends and family members. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive a notification of all the videos I publish therein. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.